Welcome to Globalcare. Globalcare began almost 60 years ago in Parma, Italy, my town. It's a family-owned company. Blood pressure monitors have become a flagship product at Globalcare. When it comes to monitoring blood pressure, most important is accuracy, ease of use, and reliability. Our blood pressure monitors have been validated and certified by the most important laboratories around the world. We like to keep our Italian roots. In fact, the majority of our products are designed and engineered in Italy. This year we have introduced our new plastic injection workshop. This will help us to keep our quality control very high and also will contribute to minimize the waste of material and also help our environment by reducing the level of emissions. At Globalcare, we're dedicated to meeting the evolving needs of our customers and contributing to a healthier and more sustainable world.